Hello everyone, welcome to the launch of the Realme 12 Pro Plus, the best camera phone that we've ever made. It's so good that it's actually better than the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. And you know what the best part is? Those phones are 4 times higher in price compared to our Realme 12 Pro Plus. So why would anybody want to buy the iPhone 15 Pro Max or the S24 Ultra? But wait. This doesn't seem like our launch event area. Why are we here and why am I launching our supercalifragilistic
Snap out of it. You're in Trakin Tech Studio.
Oh, yes. I mean, it's one thing for Realme to say that the 12 Pro Plus is one of their best camera phones that they've ever made. But that one slide where they compared the periscope camera specs to the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max, I was like, what? So definitely I had to test those claims out. So which is precisely what we're going to be doing in this video. If you're watching us for the first time, I'm Arshad. You're watching Trakin Tech English, your destination for detailed, incisive gadget reviews. So starting off by comparing the details captured by the smaller sized 3x camera on the Samsung to the largest sensor on Realme, well, Samsung has more details on offer and it doesn't wipe out the noise with overprocessing like Realme does. Now with Samsung and iPhone, you also get a proper 5x optical zoom. iPhone definitely captures sharper details and textures with far less shadow noise as well. In comparison, Realme has a 6x in-sensor crop, but in-sensor crop, as you guys know, is not proper optical, it's just lossless quality and you will end up seeing a lot of digital artifacts. And even if you don't pixel peep and look at the images side by side, the difference is immediately evident. However, in low light situations, Realme impresses. While there is a lot of artifacting and purple noise in the sky, the details are intact. And the 12 Pro Plus does give the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra a run for its money. But yes, when you zoom in further, the 6x in-sensor crop falls apart. And evidently, iPhone's 5x creates a more accurate representation of the scene with a good amount of details on offer as well. It is definitely better than what the Galaxy S24 Ultra has achieved here. Now you guys must be wondering, iPhone's picture looks very noisy, but let me tell you something, noise is not bad, but noise correction algorithms that wipe out details, now that's bad. And if Realme wants to compare the 3x portraits captured by the 12 Pro Plus to the iPhone 15 Pro Max's 5x portraits, they should just stop. In fact, even Samsung cannot match up to the iPhone out here. The iPhone's 5x portraits are literally god tier if you ask me. I absolutely love them when you get a lot of light. Realme in isolation looks good, but when you compare it to the iPhone 15 Pro Max and say that it can take better portraits than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, no sir, it cannot. Even in low light portraits, Apple does such a nice job here. Just look at the beautiful edge cutout compared to Realme and Samsung. Samsung's portrait mode in low light falls apart. There's a lot of luminance noise when you look at the zoomed in image in both the 3x and the 5x samples. Realme gets the white balance wrong and has to resort to aggressive software sharpening. It still looks great for a phone that costs rupees 30,000, but can it beat the flagships? Oh god, no it cannot. And I was sure that there's one more area where Realme would falter, and that is in color science consistency with the primary camera. And exactly that happened. Flagship cameras are tuned to look similar across situations. So the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Galaxy S24 Ultra have similar looking pictures when you capture from the periscope and the primary. Mid-range phones are not tuned for accuracy and consistency. Therefore, consistency takes a hit with the color science on the Realme 12 Pro Plus. Now, don't get me wrong, for a phone that costs rupees 30,000, the Realme 12 Pro Plus takes very good looking photos. The periscope camera's performance in isolation is pretty good. But for Realme to compare their phone to flagship phones with better ISP and superior processing is stretching things a little too far if you ask me. And of course, the results speak for themselves more than anything else. So before falling for any obnoxious marketing trap, do watch a Trakin Tech English video. Wink. Now, I do also understand that the right comparison for the Realme 12 Pro Plus's flagship setup would be something like the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus or even the iQOO Neo 7 Pro or the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, which has gone down in price. So would you want to see any one of those comparisons? We'll love to do that for you. And if you would like to see any other comparison as well, do let us know in the comment section below. I'm definitely reading them. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, do give us a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, keep tracking and stay safe.